Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Peace and today's video is going to be a haul showing you all my favourite black owned British businesses. So I don't know if it's just me, but since being in lockdown I feel like you might as well take better care of your hair, your skin, like we're at home and nothing else to do. So I've really been buying a lot of products that I don't need, but I've been absolutely loving it. And I just looked around at my collection and I realised I've got a good few bits from black owned British businesses, and I was just like, that's lovely, I want to share that because I've actually been absolutely loving them. So I hope you find something here that tickles your fancy. But before we continue, please hit the subscribe button. I'm going to be posting every Sunday because this is the year of consistency. I'm just going to be sharing transparent business advice and giving you a behind the scenes on my business journeys. So the first business I want to shout out, I can't actually show you a tangible product for because it's a skincare clinic called Azedas Garden, and I am their biggest fan. Like I don't think they even understand, because so if you've ever had skin problems, you will know that it can be the most like confidence knocking thing. It's quite a large part of you to not be popping. And when I say, since I've been going to them, my skin has come leaps and bounds. And I know I've got makeup on, so you can't like really see how clear my skin is, but just in terms of the before and after, which I don't have pictures for, sorry, but just take my word, it is. So the lead esthetician there, Antonia, she is a dark-skinned woman and she's a cosmetic chemist. She's worked in formulation. Both of the women that own the business have masters in chemistry. Like they really know their stuff. In the past, I've looked for professional skincare advice from black women and it's been really hard to find. So coming across them has just been the best thing, and it's so nice. Like I get to wear less makeup because I feel a lot more confident wearing less makeup. I go out without makeup. It's like actually been life-changing. So I got a custom skincare plan from them where they look over your skin, they ask you loads of questions, and they come up with a regimen that is literally for you based on like your skin needs, your budget. And because sometimes we get skincare advice and it's very generic, everyone's skin is different, kind of like everyone's hair is different. So to get really specific tailored advice has just been so life-changing. And I also, before lockdown, used to get the barrier restoring facials, which I'll probably get about every 4 to 6 weeks, and my skin will be so soft afterwards. They'll extract. Oh, it's just, I absolutely love this business, and I cannot wait to go back and get my facial. So definitely check them out. I'm going to have links to all these businesses in the description bar. If you've been having any sort of skin problems and you want tailored, professional, qualified advice from someone that knows black skin, has black skin, I will 100% recommend this business. So the next business and product I want to talk about is Like It On Top. I've got this sustain oil that I've bought a few times. I need to get the full size even. And I've got sensitive skin, and this oil has just made my skin so soft. And it even has helped like calm down irritation that I get sometimes. I absolutely love them. I've also got a body wash. I can't remember the exact name of it, but it's obviously in my shower. And I really love it. Everything they have is all natural, all vegan, and it's handmade. And yeah, I just absolutely love their brand. I love the aesthetic of the brand as well. I've bought from them about a few times and I will continue to do so. So yeah, definitely check them out. So the third business I want to shout out is called Phixx. They're an online hair care, skincare, makeup provider. So pretty much like a beauty supply store online, but black owned. So I absolutely love that. And they have brands that I don't find readily available in hair shops. So I think that's a really good thing, especially being in the UK. I've ordered from them a couple of times. I've gotten like a pillowcase, an edge brush. I've gotten gummy, what's it thing called? I've gotten gummy gel, whatever it's called. I've gotten gummy wax gel, whatever it's called. And the latest thing I've got from them is actually this Aunt Jackie's detangling, what's it called? Not On My Watch, which is obviously a black owned business as well. And I really love this product. Like I've got quite thick natural hair, and this has really helped with my detangling process. So after I've washed and conditioned, I'll just put this in my hair and use it to detangle my hair. I know Beauty Fix also have their own detanglers as well that people have given quite good reviews to, so I definitely need to check that out. So yeah, if you're looking for a black owned hair store, especially now that the hair stores are shut anyway, then you might as well support this black owned business. They've got amazing customer service as well. They've got a variety of things, so pretty much all your hair care needs are there. And their brand aesthetic as well is, if you look at their Instagram page, it's absolutely beautiful. So yeah, definitely support this business because we all use hair care products. I've also been loving this brand called Melanaturals, and I've got this hair care oil, I got this hair care oil from, I'm really not about this like this life, but I got this hair care oil from them. I love Ayurverdic hair care. It's so good for your hair. It's given me so much hair growth. And this is quite an affordable hair care oil for the amount you get. I've got, like I said, I've got a lot of hair and I've used this a good few times. And I've been able to use it on my scalp as well while it's been in a protective style and without it clogging my pores. So I absolutely love it. It's handmade again, it's vegan. It was packaged beautifully, and yeah, I really love this oil. I definitely will repurchase it. Yeah, if you've been looking for an Ayurvedic hair oil, I would definitely recommend. So yeah, I also want to shout out this business called Nguvu. Listen, all of this stuff will be written. I'm sorry if everything's upside down and back to front, but yeah, it's this sheer body butter. It's got like vanilla in it. It smells absolutely divine. It makes my skin so soft. Since I've come like leaps and bounds with my face skin, I've really been focusing on my body skin as well. So yeah, the body wash I said I got from Like It On Top has really been helping with like brightening my body skin and getting an even skin tone. Even Azedas Garden has given me body skin advice as well. So yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to seeing the journey of how my skin improves, especially with these like all these handmade and like vegan products. So I also want to show you this skincare product from a brand called Essiecare. And if you see the reviews on their page, like people have seen such drastic results from these products. So I've only just started using it, but I'm liking what I've seen so far. I'm using it on my knees because I've got hyperpigmentation on my knees, as a lot of dark skinned women do, and I want to see if I can just even up the skin tone around there. And I've really seen a difference, and it has only been about a week. A small difference, of course, because it's only been about a week, and I do say I think it's going to take like a couple of months. So the fact that I've even seen any sort of improvements, I'm just like, whoa. And I'm really looking forward to seeing what other improvements I can get from it. And yeah, if you look at their page, people have been seeing really good results in a short space of time. So I'm definitely excited to see what else that can do for me. So yeah, those are all the products and businesses I wanted to show you for now. Please do check them out. These are like genuinely products I found to be like really effective. I also of course have my own business, Nubia's Crown. If you weren't aware, we specialize in lightweight and versatile crochet hair extensions, really natural and a diverse range of styles, and we also sell head wraps. So all of our products are centered around giving you tension-free and true protective styling. So check us out. I will leave the link in the description bar. So once again, please hit the subscribe button, like and comment, and let me know what you want to see next. I will be back next week with the business tips. So thank you so much for watching. Please tune in next week and I will see you then. Bye.